Hi students, welcome back to our session. Today's session we are going to discuss section and midpoint formula exercise 13b. Now we are going to discuss the question number 4. M is a midpoint of AB. So I can draw the line here. This is A and this it is going to be B. Here M it is going to be divides the line AB in the ratio 1:1. So we can say here M is a midpoint of AB. Find the coordinate of A. So A coordinate we need to find here. This A coordinate we need to find. M value they have given 1, 7. And here B value they have given -5, 10. So the given values just I am going to take here. A I can consider it as x1, y1. B I can consider x2, y2. Always the point which divides we need to take it as x, y. So here x, y is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So this is the formula of midpoint. Midpoint formula. Okay, now here x value we know very well. The x value we have here it is 1, y value it is going to be 7 is equal to x1 value it is x1 plus x2 value we have here it is -5 divided by 2, y1 value we have y1 plus y2 value we have 10 divided by 2. Now here 1, 7 is equal to x1 minus 5 divided by 2, y1 plus 10 divided by 2. So when you equate the terms here, we are going to get the value as 1 it is equal to x1 minus 5 divided by 2, 7 is equal to y1 plus 10 divided by 2. So when you do the cross multiplication, here you will get multiplication 1 into 2 is equal to x1 minus 5, 1 into 2 it is 2. This -5 when you shift opposite side it will become +5 is equal to x1. 2 plus 5 it is 7 is equal to x1. And here y1 we need to find. When you shift this 2 to the opposite side it will become multiplication. 2 into 7 is equal to y1 plus 10. 7 2s are 14. When you shift this plus term to the opposite side here it will become -10 is equal to y1. So 14 minus 10 the value it is 4. 4 is equal to y1. So we found the coordinate of the point A. Therefore the coordinate of point A is equal to 7, 4. Okay, now here we are going to solve the second one. Second one we have here. We need to find B. They have given A it is 3, -1 and M is equal to -1, 3. According to the given condition, M is a point which divides AB and even we can say it is a midpoint of AB. So this is A and this it is B. Now here M is a midpoint of AB. So A value we have 3, -1. B value it is unknown value. M value they have given -1, 3. Now this you need to consider it as x1, y1 as A, x2, y2 as B value, and the point which divides we used to take it as always x, y. So just you can equate the value here. The formula x is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2. And y is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So x value we have here it is -1 is equal to x1 value it is 3, x2 value it is x2 divided by 2, y value we have 3 is equal to y1 value it is -1 plus y2 divided by 2. When you shift this to the opposite side 2, it will become it as multiplication. So -1 into 2 is equal to 3 plus x2. -1 into 2 it is -2. When you shift this 3 to the opposite side, here it will become -3 is equal to x2. minus 2 minus 3, it is minus 5 is equal to x2. Right side we have, when you shift this 2 to the opposite side, division it will become multiplication. So 3 into 2 is equal to minus 1 plus y2. 3 2s are 6 you will get. When you shift this minus 1 to the opposite side, here it is going to become it as plus 1 is equal to y2. 6 plus 1 it is 7. 7 is equal to y2. Here we need to find out the coordinate of B. Therefore, the coordinate of B is first you need to write x2 value minus 5 comma then y2 value 7. Minus 5 comma 7 is the coordinate of B. Okay, here they have given P is the midpoint of the line meant AB. So this particular P, it is going to be the midpoint of A and B. As shown in the given figure. Find the coordinate of A and B. So here we need to find out the coordinate of A value and as well as the coordinate of B we need to find. To find that, we are going to apply. Now here we know very well the point which is lying on the y-axis. So when it is on the y-axis means we can consider this point as 0 comma y. And here the point which is lying on the x-axis. So x-axis means you can consider it as x comma 0. So here solution, A point we have assumed it as 0 comma y. B point is equal to x comma 0. And we have the point which divides AB, it is minus 3 comma 2. Now you can consider the point it as x1 y1 and here x2 y2. This it is x comma y. Here they have given in the question P, it is going to be the midpoint. So when it is midpoint, we are going to apply the midpoint formula by using midpoint formula. So here the formula it is x comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So just I am going to substitute the values here. So x1 value we have here it is 0 plus x2 value it is x divided by 2. y1 value it is y plus y2 value it is 0 divided by 2. Now further if you simplify this, you will get 0 plus x, it is x divided by 2. Y plus 0, it is y divided by 2. In the left side we have here x comma y points. I can write it as minus 3 comma 2. Now further if you equate x coordinates and y coordinates, minus 3 is equal to x by 2 comma 2 is equal to y by 2. So when you shift this 2 to the opposite side, this division here it will become multiplication. So minus 3 into 2 is equal to x. 2 3s are 6. We have the negative sign here. So you will get minus 6 is equal to x. Same here, when you shift this division 2 to the opposite side, here it will become multiplication. So 2 into 2 is equal to y. So 2 2s are 4 is equal to y. Therefore, the coordinates of A, it is nothing but 0 comma y, and B value we have B, it is x comma 0. This is the general formula what we have taken, which is lying on the x axis and y axis. So if you substitute x value and y value, y it is 4. The coordinate of B is equal to x comma 0. X it is minus 6 comma 0. So here we got A value. A value it is going to be 0 comma 4, and B value we got here it is minus 6 comma 0. Now here if you check this, it is positive y. So we got the y value as positive, and here x dash it is going to be the negative value. So here that value, x value we got here it is minus 6 comma 0. So this is the final answers.